You know what? The only country winning this war is China. Not USA, not Israel, not even Iran. It is China. And here's why. China, as you know, उसकी dying wish है to become world superpower, to beat USA, to dominate the world. And since USA is kinda losing the war, China को यहाँ पे एक upper hand मिल गया है. The same thing USA did during the First and the Second World War. They let countries fight with one another while building their own manufacturing. Now here's the first reason why China will be winning this war. USA launched Operation Epic Fury to target Iran's missile production, navy and infrastructure, after which Pentagon said all threat is gone and Iran is dead almost. बट उसके बाद ईरान का रिप्लाई आता है ये तो हमारा पुराना स्टॉक था, अभी न्यू स्टॉक तो बाकी है. बट ये कैसे हुआ? बिकॉज चाइना हैज बीन सीक्रेटली सप्लाइंग मिलिट्री वेपन्स टू ईरान. सेकेंडली, यूएस का B-2 बॉम्बर एयरक्राफ्ट जो वर्ल्ड का मोस्ट एडवांस स्टेल्थ एयरक्राफ्ट है, जो इम्पॉसिबल है टू ट्रैक ऑन रेडार, बट वन ऑफ द चाइनीज कंपनी क्लेम दैट देयर AI system has even tracked B-2 aircrafts. Now the third reason is Iran has shifted its navigation from US GPS system to China's Beidou satellites, through which China is helping Iran to track America's military movement. Now the fourth point is China has also crushed America's petrodollar dream. How? Via Strait of Hormuz, जहां से वर्ल्ड की 20% ऑयल ट्रेड पास होती है एंड डीलिंग्स आर डन इन यूएस की करेंसी दैट इज डॉलर, फॉर विच ईरान हैज सेड नहीं, अब ये डीलिंग चाइना की करेंसी युआन में ही होगी. And the fifth reason why China will be winning this war is that USA alone has spent $25 billion on this war. And when Trump asked NATO countries like France, Spain for help, सबने मना कर दिया. Whereas China has not spent even a single penny officially on this war. So indirectly, Iran is supporting China to become world superpower, and China is helping Iran to fight war against USA and Israel. Comment China to know how it will become the next superpower of the global order.